myself Priyanka Gupta, and today I am here to give my presentation on scapula. As we know that this is a scapula. It is a large bone and triangular in shape. It is located on the posterior lateral aspect of the thoracic cage between second and seventh rib. It have two surface: costal surface, dorsal surface, and three border: lateral border, medial border, and superior border. Three angle: superior angle, inferior angle, and glenoid angle, which is also known as lateral angle. It has a three process: spinous process, acromion process, and a coracoid process. Now, the side determination of scapula. The lateral border of scapula is the thickest border and glenoid cavity, glenoid tubercle, and the costal surface of scapula is concave and it have a three longitudinal ridge. Now the dorsal surface of scapula is convex and it have a crest of spine. Now the feature of scapula. Scapula has a two surface, that is costal surface, dorsal surface. Now the costal surface of scapula. Costal surface is a smooth surface and it is concave and it have a three longitudinal ridge. Now the dorsal surface of scapula, it has a crest of spine which divide into two parts. First one is supraspinatus fossa and second one is infraspinatus fossa. Now the border of scapula. Scapula has a three border: lateral border, medial border, and superior border. Lateral border is the thickest border. It bear a glenoid cavity, and medial border is a thin border, while the superior border is short border and a thin border. It bear a notch called the suprascapular notch. Now, the angle of scapula. Scapula has a three angle: superior angle, inferior angle, and glenoid angle. Superior angle is present between the superior border and medial border, while the inferior angle is present between medial border and lateral border. Now, the last angle is glenoid angle or lateral angle. It is present between the superior border and lateral border. Now, the process of scapula. Scapula has a three process. First one is spinous process, and second is acromion process, third one is coracoid process. Spinous process, its anterior part is triangular, while the posterior part of spinous has a two lip. First one is upper lip and second one is lower lip. Upper lip move forward to form the medial border of acromion process, while the lower lip of spine move forward to form the lateral border of acromion process. Now the second one is acromion process, and acromion process have a two border and two surface, while the coracoid process, it is pro-beak like, bent finger like, and it is the atelistic type of epiphysis. Now the attachment of scapula. There are many muscles attached to the scapula. Suprascapularis muscles are arises from the subscapular medial two-third. Attachment of the scapula. There are many muscles attached on the scapula. First one is subscapularis muscles arises from the subscapularis part of the medial two-third of the scapula, while the suprascapularis muscles are present on the medial two-third of the suprascapular fossa, and third one is the infrascapularis muscles is present on the inferior two-third of infraspinatus fossa. Now, the lateral border, there are two muscles attached on the lateral border. First one is teres minor and the second one is teres major. Teres minor is present on the upper two-third part of lateral border, while the teres major is present on the lower one-third of lateral border. Now the medial border of scapula. There are totally four muscles attached on the medial border. On the costal aspect of the medial border, there are serratus anterior muscles arise, while the posterior aspect, there are three muscles are attached on the medial border. First one is elevated serratus, second one is rhomboid minor, third one is rhomboid major. Elevated serratus arises from the superior angle to the root of spine, and while the rhomboid minor is attached opposite to the root of spine. Third one is rhomboid minor. Rhomboid minor is arise from the root of spine to the inferior angle. Now the glenoid cavity. There are two muscles attached on the glenoid cavity. First one is long head of biceps brachii is attached to the supraglenoid tubercle, while the long head of triceps brachii is attached on the infraglenoid tubercle. Now the spinous process, there are two muscles attached. On the upper lip of spinous process, trapezius muscles attached, while the lower lip of spinous process, deltoid muscles attached. And coracoid process, there are three muscles attached on the coracoid process. First one is coracobrachialis, second is short head of biceps brachii, and third is pectoralis minor. Now the ossification of scapula. Scapula is ossified by one primary center and seven secondary center. And last topic is clinical anatomy of scapula. As we know that serratus anterior is attached on the costal aspect of medial border. Paralysis of this serratus anterior causes the winging of scapula. And second is scaphoid scapula. It is a developmental anatomy.